The value of GRT is currently 0.161066, which represents a 0.0811864 increase compared to its value 3 months ago. This increase is attributed to the expected improvement in the market over the next 12 months. The growth of GRT is anticipated to be substantial, with a score of 30 out of 100. The graph is currently indicating a downward trend, approaching a value of 0.289N19. This value is projected by the graph to be reached by the end of 2023, based on the data from the last 24 hours. The graph's price has decreased by 7.57% in the past week. Investors in Grapeh have had returns above 6.09% due to the favorable market conditions of GRT. After analyzing GT's technical indicators, we anticipate a minor correction in the next days. The current value of the graph is $0.161066, and it is ranked 44th among all cryptocurrency CES. There are 9,322,877,184 units of the graph in circulation, with a market value of $1,551,155,00180. The graph's price has decreased by 7.57% in the past 24 hours. Over the last week, the graph has consistently grown, adding 6.09%. Investors are pleased with the return on their investment this week. Thanks to this increase, the price of GRT has risen by 21.12% in the last 30 days, adding $0.288 to its previous value of $0.132. This has raised the market size to $1,551,550,180. If you are considering buying the graph now, it would be advisable to wait for another bear market. After being valued at $0.792 390 days ago, the price of the graph has increased by 13.36%, adding $0.0811864 to its value. What is the current price of the graph GRT? The graph GRT is currently trading at 1.061066 and has a market capitalization of $1.505 billion. The amount is $5,440. What is your estimate for the cost of the graph in 2023? It is anticipated that the price of the graph will peak at $10.289 million in 2023. Do you recommend purchasing the graph? Based on our analysis of the technical indicators on the graph, we anticipate a minor decline in the price of GRT in the next days. Therefore, we advise investors to hold off on purchasing GRT until this decline occurs. As for whether GRT is a good investment, we cannot provide a definitive answer based solely on the graph. Our technical analysis indicates that the current movement of the graph for the cryptocurrency GRT suggests it is a favorable investment. Our price estimate supports the notion that investing in GRT at this time is a prudent decision.